Hi, in this video I want to show you how to rewind the canister of film once you're done shooting and how to remove it from the camera. So as you can see in here, we have film in this camera by the window there, and on the top you have this mechanism that will rewind. If you flip that lever up like you do when you open the back, but we're not going to do that yet, there's a little arrow usually on the inside here and it's saying go this direction. But if I go to move that in this direction, it doesn't want to go anywhere. That's because the gears are locked and we need to unlock those gears. So when you put the roll of film in, the film went in over here, brought the leader over to that side and closed the back, and then we start taking pictures. And as you take pictures and advance the film with the advance lever, film moves from this side of the camera over to here. So at the end of the roll, all the film is over here, and it needs to get back into the light tight canister over there. Okay, so in order to do that, going to press this button here and make sure that's depressed so that releases the gears. So now instead of going from left to right, they're going to go right to left. So we're going to press that in right now. Go back to our lever up on the top here, and now we can move this and wind this around in the direction of the arrow. So I'm just going to continue to do that. And as I do that, there's a little bit of tension, but it's able to move pretty smoothly. And all that film is going from the right side of the back camera over to the left side. There was a little click right there, so I'm going to stop there. You can keep going and all the film will go back in, but what I'm hoping is if I stop with that little click and now pull this all the way up to open up the back of the camera, I should have just a little bit of that film sticking out still. So it looks like it was when it first went into the camera, but this is now a shot roll. This has already been exposed from loading, so there's no problem having this out. If you keep rolling, it'll roll all the way back in, and all the film will be tucked back in there, which is fine also. Okay, take the roll out, you can put that back down, close the back of your camera, and we're all set.